Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you my shepherd's pie recipe. So with most of my recipes, it's easy, convenient and affordable to make, and it's comfort food at its best, especially in winter. So to start off, you'll heat your pot over medium heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 chopped onion. Leave the onion to sweat for a bit until it just changes color before adding 3 to 4 garlic cloves, which I've grated, and 3 bay leaves. Stir fry until your onions turn a deep golden brown. You can add water as needed as well, but you do want your onions to be as brown as possible. And then you're going to add your 500 gram lamb minced meat. Stir well. Add 1 teaspoon salt and a generous amount of black pepper. I've added about 2 teaspoons of pepper, but you can do it according to your taste and preference. Add a dash of cloves and allspices. I've used the fine ground ones, but you can use the whole one as well. Whole allspice and garlic and allspices and cloves. A splash of Worcestershire sauce. About 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Give it a good stir. And cook the mince for about 5 to 10 minutes. Do not add too much water as you want the consistencies to be fairly dry. And then you're going to add your mixed vegetables. I've added about 2 cups of mixed veg. You can use fresh veg or frozen vegetables. I've used green beans, carrots, corn, broccoli. But you can use any vegetables that you have. Add 2 tablespoons flour. Stir well to combine the flour. And add about 1/4 cup of water, just so that the flour can cook through and you get a nice, rich, thick sauce. Leave to cook until the minced and the vegetables has cooked completely and it's dry. And then you're going to go onto your mashed potatoes. I've got about 1 kg potatoes here, which I'm going to boil with 1 teaspoon of salt. So cook your potatoes until it's soft. Add butter to taste. I've used about 2 tablespoons of butter here. Mash well until it's smooth. And then I've added some fresh cream, but you can use milk as well. The fresh cream gives it a very creamy taste, your mashed potatoes. So that's why I prefer using the cream if I have it. If I don't, then I use milk. Now you're going to do the layering. You're going to add your minced and vegetables at the bottom of a Pyrex dish or any suitable oven container. Okay, scrape it all out, even it out. And then you're going to top it with your mashed potatoes. And like I said, you can double this recipe if you have a bigger family or you're having guests over. And just smooth out your mash on top. To cover your mince at the bottom. And then I've sprinkled a bit of mixed herbs on top. You can do mixed herbs or nutmeg as well. Mixed herbs gives a lovely flavor to the mash and to the finished product. And then you're going to bake it at 190 degrees or 200 degrees Celsius until it's golden brown on top and cook and warm through. And there you have it, nice and easy shepherd's pie, good for winter. And I hope you're going to follow me for my next recipe soon. Okay, goodbye.